And here you go, here's the keyboard that works well. Well, the Kei was designed around the idea of being a light keyboard, a portable keyboard, a keyboard you could bring with you everywhere, that you could change your configuration as you liked it. It should be comfortable, it should be good to type with. It should sound pretty good, but the whole point of it is to be minimal, have its own character and sound and looks, but yet still be something that you can bring around with you wherever you go and replace whatever you have in front of you on your desk. So this time around we're back with the new Kei, and the new Kei allows us to do so many more things and allows you to change it up to make it your own. Alright, here you have the very first version of the Kei. Can we see you? Yeah, we can see you, that's great. Yeah, so we made this a long... Oh, almost fell. We made the Kei because we wanted it to be portable, we wanted it to be easy to use. This is completely the opposite of what we set out to do, but it was fun, so we did it. And then we tried it again, and we did a V2, or rather an R2, and we made like the whole thing brass again. And it was O-ring mounted, it was fun, and we decided that, you know what, oh man, that's the complete opposite of light. We decided that we wanted to keep the spirit of the Kei, which is a super easy to assemble keyboard. That's not what we had in the first version. And something portable, something you can use, something you could really play around with while paying homage to one of the best keyboards in the world. I'm not gonna mention it by name, but looking at this, you should get an idea. We've worked with really brilliant designers through our friend series, through our TGR and Singer collabs, and through a lot of little projects that we've done so far, from Honda to Jujutsu Kaisen and all these kind of really cool stuff. But we've always wanted to make something that we could swap in and out really, really quickly. And we always think that we spend too much time on bringing a keyboard together. And so this is kind of like the opposite of a Jane, where you could quickly pop things off, and you could quickly just say, you know what, I'm gonna change the core and I'm gonna do all sorts of cool stuff with it, and you're back on again. And here you go, here's the keyboard that works well. And we wanted to do a lot of cool stuff with it. One of the coolest stuff that you can do with such a magnetic mount is to go with something like a polycarbonate bottom, a copper top. This whole thing is just made of really, really nice copper. It's finished really, really well. So those are kind of things that makes it stand out. And the best part about this is you don't have to wait too long. You can always buy multiple tops, and we'll restock multiple tops and bottoms down the line. And if you want to change your look, you could just swap them out very quickly. Or if you want to go for a meetup and you want to show off, or you want to just show your friends this really cool build that you did, all your attention and effort should be spent on building the core of the keyboard. we have these really cool feet that are no longer adhesive based, so they're just basically plug on, plug in, and we have really nice parts here, so you can swap these out and we sell them in pack and they go for a really good price, together with all sorts of cool stuff like the gasket socks and the silicone dampener and things like that, and they all come as a pack. So if you want to theme your keyboard to look a certain way, you can do it straight away, very quickly, no need for screws, and there are only 4 screws on this keyboard. They are used to secure the Bluetooth audio board, which we'll talk about it in a while. And this also allows us to make stuff like back plates. So you can swap out your feet for a nice back plate. You can pop this on the bottom here, and there's a ton of potential for this, and we're looking forward to doing a lot of collabs with different people. And one of the cool ones that we're doing right now is with Elaine of Singer, and we've managed to do a really nice homage to a really popular keyboard that she's produced and designed, and she's really happy and excited to work with us on something like this, and we're looking forward to making a lot more different ones for smaller projects or even bigger ones. So it's really exciting to work with new folks as well for PCBs, and we're really happy to work with C-Plot to make an EC PCB for both the 65 and the 60. Super cool guy, super nice to work with. I'm personally super excited about this thing because this is going to transform how we view PCBs, because this is the core and this is the brains of turning something Bluetooth, and we're really excited about this. This is the first time we developed something of our own, electronically speaking, and we look forward to doing more of these things in the future. But my personal favorite is of course the EC capabilities for the K. I think the K has always been inspired by a really popular and genre-defining EC keyboard that we all are well aware of. One more thing is we're really happy to also bring a really good price point. So this time around, we're bringing down the price point of everything. We've managed to really work on that part of our supply chain, and we're very excited that more people can access this, and this really ties in with our philosophy of having good things for everyone.